First impressions are everything, and the front office plays a crucial role in shaping a client's or visitor's perception of an organization. Without effective front office management, companies often struggle to create a welcoming environment, leading to poor customer service, dissatisfied clients, and a tarnished brand reputation. The certificate course in front office management is designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in managing front office operations and delivering exceptional customer service. This comprehensive program covers effective communication, customer service best practices, office administration, problem-solving techniques, and professionalism in the workplace. For organizations, investing in this training can lead to improved customer satisfaction, enhanced brand reputation, and a competitive edge in attracting and retaining clients. By ensuring outstanding front office operations, companies can create a positive and memorable experience that fosters long-lasting relationships with their customers. Individuals who complete this course will emerge as certified front office management professionals, capable of delivering exceptional customer service and creating a welcoming environment. They'll gain expertise in effective communication, handling inquiries and concerns with poise, and representing their organization with professionalism and grace. Don't let subpar front office operations tarnish your organization's reputation. Elevate your customer service game by enrolling in the certificate course in front office management today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and unlock the full potential of your organization's customer service experience.